In the last video, we have added a factory constructor to our job class so that we can simplify the logic inside our database class. The next thing that I want to show is how we can create a new helper method that we can use to get a stream collection that we can reuse in our database class. So I'm going to type in some code first and then I'm going to explain it. Okay, so here we're going to add a new method which returns a stream of type list of type T. This is going to be called underscore collection stream of type T, and this will take two named parameters. So in here I'm going to write @required and then string path and then @required T builder and then map of string and dynamic and then data as the name of the argument. And then I'm going to add the implementation for this method. So to do that, I'm going to copy all these lines from the jobs stream method, and then I'm going to paste them over here. And then I'm going to replace this job.from map with just the builder, which is the argument that is passed to the method itself. And then I can format my code like this. And now that I have this, I can simplify the code inside the jobs stream method. In fact, here I'm going to delete all this code and I'm going to replace it with collection stream. And for the path, I can pass API path.jobs with UID. And then for the builder argument, I'm going to pass a closure which takes a data parameter and returns job.fromMap with data, like this. Okay, so let me explain how this all works. And the main idea here is to provide a helper method that is generic on type T. And this allows us to move all the boilerplate code for extracting a list of snapshots. And then we can use this closure, which is called builder, to generate a model object from our data. And as you can see, now there are some similarities between these two methods. And with this approach, we can minimize the amount of code that we need in order to write some data to Firestore or read out a collection of documents as a stream. And this is very useful, especially if this database class grows and we add more read and write methods to access data in Firestore. Okay, so let's continue on the next video.